In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Edge AI browser on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so by downloading Microsoft Edge AI browser, you'll be able to leverage the power of AI because ChatGPT has been incorporated in Microsoft Edge. The good thing is you can easily download and install this browser on your Android smartphone. To do this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To get started, go to Play Store on your Android smartphone and then tap on it. Now this will take you to this homepage where you can search for any app and just go to the search bar, or if you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon here. Go ahead and tap on it and then just search for Microsoft Edge and then tap on search icon here. And as you can see, we have our Microsoft Edge AI browser available here. So if you tap on it, make sure it is from Microsoft Corporation. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 1 million reviews. And currently it has over 100 million downloads. And the file size is approximately 108 MBs. To get it, tap on install. And this will go ahead and begin downloading the latest version of Microsoft Edge AI browser and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, now you can launch it straight from here, and now you can start browsing using this browser with AI capabilities. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.